leadership. In 2025, we might see political figures using AI. I hope I can get right now.
Oh, that poor baby.
You see this?
Big old snowflakes, y'all.
Huh?
Big old snowflakes. Well, hello YouTube. Old beardy guy Jeff Lawless. Today, model cars, coffee on ice. We're gonna turn you around here and show you what we're talking about. All right, here's what we picked out to talk about today. This was a build 2023 48-hour group build for that year. Reason I pulled it out, well, we're getting all this snow and ice and stuff, and it is a little four-wheel drive. So, but it was a fun build when I did it. Just nothing special, just a little bit of paint work here and there. Look at that. We got upside down Don on the front of it. But whenever we built it, it was painted with Testers one coat lacquer. It was I forget what gold it was called, but it's a one coat lacquer by Testers. Like I said, nothing special. It was just, like I said, 48-hour build, so it was a quick build. But like I said, it turned out a pretty decent build for 48 hours, I thought. So, but like I said, if you see on the front of this video, you know why I call it Model Cars and Coffee on Ice. Is we're getting ice and we're getting snow here in Kentucky. All right, hang tight. See, we're getting ice, we're getting snow, freezing rain, all kind of mess out there right now. I'll show y'all a little bit here again at the end of this video. So yeah, how much more we got since I did the first part of the video. So we want to thank Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds for hosting Sunday morning Model Cars and Coffee. Hopefully he ain't got ice out where he's at, because we got plenty of it. But like I said, we'll turn you around here in a second and show you outside again, and then we'll close her out. Hang tight. But I reckon that's going to be it, folks. Appreciate y'all hanging out with us for Model Cars and Coffee on Ice. But we'll be getting on back to some other builds. Of course, everybody knows we got 24-hour group build coming up the end of this month. Then next month we got a small scale group build. Have to look and see what the dates is on all of them. But then we got psychedelic 60s group build coming up shortly. So, and we're still in Weekend Warrior group build put on by Dean over at Bench Racing Garage. But like I said, we'll get on out of here. You know, check out all the links, everybody I mentioned in the description of the video. So, but until the next one, peace out. Stay safe, stay warm. God bless. We love you.